In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics 4 to your Webflow site seamlessly. This process is critical for tracking and understanding your website's performance, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you are set up properly. To kick things off, you'll need to start by accessing your Google Analytics 4 account. Once you're in, the next move is to head towards the admin section. You can usually find this at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on it, and you should see a section titled Data Streams. From here, select your web stream. This part is crucial because it contains the details about your web data collection. Once you've selected your stream, you'll notice a unique measurement ID. This ID is usually short and begins with a GA. Take a moment to copy this ID, as it will be a key piece in connecting Google Analytics to your Webflow project. Now, let's shift over to Webflow. On your Webflow dashboard, locate your specific project. This is the project you want to track with Google Analytics. Right next to it, you'll see three little dots. Click them, and you will find an option labeled Site Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll link your project to the Analytics tool you've set up. Within the Site Settings, you're going to navigate to either the Apps and Integrations tab or simply the Integrations tab, depending on what you see. This section is where all third-party applications are tied into your Webflow site, making it a hub for external connections. Here, look for the area dedicated to Google Analytics. Now, take that measurement ID you copied earlier and paste it into the designated box. This step establishes the connection between Webflow and Google Analytics, allowing the latter to start collecting data about your site's visitors and interactions. Before you can see the fruits of your labor, there's one more essential step. You need to save your changes. Find the Save Changes button and click on it. After saving, it's time to make these changes live on your website. To do this, simply hit the Publish button. This action will update your site, ensuring that the analytics tracking can start functioning immediately. And that's it. You've successfully linked Google Analytics 4 with your Webflow site. By doing this, you now have the ability to monitor your site's traffic, analyze visitor behavior, and gather valuable insights that can help drive success. Whether you're measuring the effectiveness of your site content or checking where your visitors come from, this setup will be incredibly beneficial. Keep checking back to see what your data tells you and use it to guide future decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.